Hey everybody, welcome back to another video only here on Telchelp Guys. So today I'm going to show you how you can collect emails using Mailchimp. Now, of course, there are different ways on how to do this, how to build an email list. And the first one is by creating an opt-in pop-up form for your website. So if you have encountered this before, these pop-up forms are when you open up a website, usually they ask you if you want to subscribe to their web page so that you can be updated with their latest events, with their latest products, latest items, latest services. So it's similar to that. Actually, it really is that. So what you need to do from there is you need to choose an attractive headline and then add a description or tagline. And then, of course, put in some necessary information like contact information, name, email address that they need to fill up. So you need to create a form that they need to fill up. So this is what that looks like. So this is the example of a pop-up sign-up form. So here you can see there's an input form here where they can put their email address, and then once they click subscribe, you'll automatically receive that or their email. Now, another way to collect emails through Mailchimp is by creating a Facebook ad. Now, of course, there are a lot of endless possibilities with Facebook ads. You can also create sign up form for this. At the same time, you can uh, collect information about your existing audience already or what your audience could look like. You can do the A/B test on Facebook to compare how custom audience, and you can generate leads through the A/B test as well. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you in collecting emails. Personally, I suggest using a build a pop-up form. It's very easy to do. You just need to create an appealing pop-up form for your website, and then automatically, whenever they subscribe, you receive their email. So it's a good marketing strategy. And hopefully, if we were able to help you out, please do hit the like and, of course, subscribe button. We will be making more videos just like this only here on Telchelp Guy.